this is the most common way to wind up these electrical cords, hoses, or any type of cables for that matter. But there is one very common problem when you do it in this way, and as you can see, everything is tangled up. But you can untangle it, that is not the problem. There is one bigger problem, and that is this. When you want to use this cord and when you pull it, everything gets tangled even more than before. And then when you just start pulling, like, it's a mess all over the place. Now, there's a very simple way to wind this cord in a way where you don't get any knots, nothing gets wrapped and tangled, and it's actually pretty simple. You just have to practice it for maybe 2-3 times and you will get a hang of it. Hold the cord in your left hand just like this. And the first motion is just a circular motion where you just take that cord and put it again in your left hand. Just one circle and put it again in your left hand. The second one is a little bit different, so pay attention. Extend your arm, right arm, like this, and then just move it to your left hand. But see how what I'm doing with my hand? I'm tilting it a little bit and I'm letting this cord fall onto my forearm. And this is very important. This will prevent all that tangling later. Let the cord fall on your forearm and then catch it with your left hand like this. And then again, one more time, just a circular motion like this. And then again, extend it with your right hand, move towards your left hand. Let the cord fall on your forearm just like that. And then again, a circular motion like this. The next one, tilt it a little bit, let the cord fall onto your forearm, catch it right here, and then again, circular motion, tilt it, let the cord fall here, and then again, circular motion, again, tilt it, let the cord fall here. And let me just show you what we got with this technique. Check out just how easily you can take out this cord and use it in your process. I will show you one more time, a little bit slower. Check this out. Everything goes up very easily because everything is wrapped in a perfect way. Let me show you the difference when you wrap your cord like this. As you can see, everything gets tangled very easily, and then you have to divide and fight with it. But when you wrap everything in this simple way, and let me show you one more time, just a circle and then extend, tilt your arm a little bit, let the cable fall on your forearm, hold it, circle, extend, tilt, circle, extend, tilt, let the cable fall on your forearm, then again, normal circle, extend, tilt, forearm, normal circle, and then, already done. Then when you take it, everything moves very nicely. Check that out. Perfect. Now, if you want to learn more cool rookie handyman tips and tricks, then check out the suggestions on the screen right here, and I really hope you have found some value in this video right here, and I hope that your extension cords won't be tangled up like mine were before. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.